Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by ensuring you control the domain and can edit DNS records. This is non-negotiable. Next, decide on the type of certificate, automated free options or paid certificates with warranty, and why that matters for renewal and support. Then gain server access, SSH, sudo rights, and open ports 80 and 443. Once done, install or verify a certificate client like Certbot or Acme. SH. This lets you request, validate, and later renew certificates automatically. You'll now validate the domain and request the certificate. If you control the web server, use HTTP 01, run your Acme client to create a challenge file and respond on port 80. This proves ownership quickly. For wildcard or complex setups, use DNS01 and add the TXT record. This is slightly manual but powerful. Once validation succeeds, the CA issues the cert pair. Make sure the private key is saved with strict permissions and backed up safely for server use. You finish by installing the certificate into your web server or CDN configuration and reloading services, so TLS handshakes start using the new cert. Then automate renewal. Use your Acme client's built-in timer, a cron job, or a systemd timer and test renewal with a dry run. If something goes wrong, check Acme client logs, confirm DNS propagation, and verify ports 80/443 aren't blocked. One key tip: a failed renewal usually means validation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.